Hey guys, so I'm going to go over what I got done on Tuesday, November 30th, 2021. So on this Tuesday, like I had mentioned in the previous day, I had to get the toilet fixed. There was a problem with the tank nut kind of cutting off the water replenishing after a flush. Well, the switch that's supposed to cut off that kind of wasn't working. So the plumbers came, they took a look at it. They thought initially maybe like the filter was clogged or something that was preventing it, but they ended up just replacing the whole stem in the toilet thing. So everything that has the float and the switch that it's attached to, they just replaced the whole thing, and then it worked fine. So go figure. Cheap plastic piece breaks the entire thing. But got that fixed. Actually, this Tuesday here was finalizing the delivery here for the washer and the dryer. So they're supposed to come on the Wednesday. I got the delivery window here on this Tuesday, figuring out exactly when they were supposed to come. I'll get into all of the issues that we had later with that on the Wednesday here. But at least got the final email, was making plans for work. I had a meeting in the afternoon. I was kind of thankful that it was scheduled for the morning because it means I could make that meeting at work, things like that. The other thing that I'd done was I texted a couple old college friends after having this reunion with the Bible study group. These other Christian guys who I'd lived with as roommates, who I just kind of wanted to catch up with them. I'd really enjoyed seeing where everyone was for my Bible study group. Kind of inspired me to contact some other people who I'd fallen out of touch with, and we had a phone call, really, really good. This particular friend, actually, since I last talked to him, he got married, and he was working at IBM for a while, and then decided that he was going to do more mission stuff. So he's kind of working for a mission board and a sales position in another company at the same time right here. But really good conversation. Really glad to catch up with him as well, see what's going on in his life. We talked about a lot of good things, prayed for each other, things like that. The other thing that I did, picking up here on this Tuesday, was I started continuing work on the refactoring some of the slides that I've been doing for all of our Bible study videos in the SR4 series that I've been doing, Satan's World System from Ichthus, and then also our shared Bible study going through Parapatheology, which we're almost done with. I'd been making slides for these series, and I had kind of figured out a way in which I want to have all of the material written in Markdown, and then I'd write a script to go ahead and inject it into the HTML template for the slides. So I want to standardize all of the content in Markdown to make it easier to kind of have it duplicated across the website and the slides both. So I have been kind of refactoring all the slides from the HTML that they're in right now, which is already rendering the Markdown, but rendering it in the same sort of Markdown that I'll use on my website. So kept doing work on that. So big thing today, probably talking to that friend. We had probably, I don't know, maybe hour-long phone call. Really nice. Went out for a walk in the neighborhood while we talked there. And then doing this work, I think I got maybe 6 videos or something done where I'd refactor the slides, maybe only 5. I don't quite remember, but plenty of work done on that too. So that was Tuesday the 30th here, and I will go over December 1st in just a second.